So today, in my previous video, so we did talk about just the overview about the HTML. So, and then also how we can code alongside AI. So now this is the HTML intro. So we're using W3 school. So as you can see, as a beginner, the most important part that you have to uh, kind of learn is this part here. So with HTML, so we have tags, and then they set the syntax of tags is basically like this. So okay, just put that back. So is ignore everything, some other stuff. So it's basically something, and then you put something inside here, and then after that here you close, or we can call it just tag, and then tag. So what is a tag here? Tag can be anything. So we call this tags, tag names. So HTML tag name. So it can be anything. It can be div. It can be heading. So it can be anything. It can be even your custom one that you can put whatever you are using. So it can be anything that you can use here. So this help us just to wrap the element inside the HTML. Yeah. So the focus point to make it easy for you is just to know that with HTML, so we have the HTML body. So you open and then closing there. This is the main document there, open and close. And then after that, we have head, and then we have the body. So head, this part here is hidden. You don't see it on the page. And then the body is what you see on the page. So inside the body, we have the header, and then we have the footer. So we're gonna like the footer where you see the footer menu, for instance, like the header. This is, we call it the header. Anything that is here, so header. And then if we say header menu, so we're talking about whatever links that you have on top that you can click. And then we have the header logo, and then header button here. It can be a city, it can be a login or something like that. So you have that, and which is really great. So those are the things that you have to remember. So head help us to add things like your HTML and certain other element and the name of the page. So as you can see, title, is page title. So but this is hidden. So what you're gonna just remember that your style, you're gonna put it inside the head, and then after that, here where you put everything that you want in the body. So those are the kind of like the basic stuff, and then we have different tag that you can use. So you have the headings, and then you have the paragraph. You see, so what should you might just remember that is any tag you can use within here. Whatever tag that you want, you can use. Must just know that this is the way that you open these things here, and then this is the way that you close, and then whatever name that you're gonna have, as you can see, pattern. So now let's go to DeepSeek and Chai GDP. We're gonna just, because we're programming alongside, we're learning alongside with it. So we're gonna ask what is the basic stuff to learn HTML as a beginner. So what is the basic stuff to learn as a beginner when it comes to HTML? HTML. Okay. So now we're gonna use deepthing R1, so that you can see how also is processing. So okay, so I want to learn HTML as a beginner. Let me think about where to start. I remember hearing that HTML is used for creating web pages, but I'm not exactly sure how it all works. So let me try to break it down. First, maybe I should figure out what HTML stands for. I think is Hyper Text Markup Language. Yeah. So right, that's what I've heard before. So it's a markup language, which probably means it's used text to structure content, but how exactly do this text works? So this is the way that you learn alongside with AI. So this is the way that the AI think before it gives you the answer. So I guess the basic structure of HTML document is important. Like every HTML page starts with a doc type declaration. So this is the way that you can see that as you can learn this thing step by step. So now, as we are progressing now here, so first maybe, so as you can see, so we have doc type, HTML, and then this is the structure that is giving to us. So the first thing you can see that just to determine that this is a document HTML, and then after that we have our stuff there. So this is the same things that you see in W3 School. So, and it's important to learn the way that the computer is thinking so that you can now start to have certain context on how to learn. So it's almost like you are doing a processing way of thinking that's going to help you to learn really better. So that makes sense. Let me check if I got that right. DOCTYPE tells the browser is HTML5. The HTML tag is the root, head as the metadata, title set the page, title in the browser tab, and body is where the main content okay, got it. Next, common HTML element headings are H1 to H6. So those are the common headings we have. So with H1 being the largest, paragraph use the paragraph tag, which is P. Paragraph stands for paragraph. Links are created with the tags and image with blah blah. So here they're giving kind of like is doing the process of thinking and all the, as how you can see the AI is thinking. So you have to start to read those things when you are learning that, and that's going to help you to understand how AI process things, and also how you're going to start to learn this stuff, because AI is getting the information from the net, from the internet, and then so do you as well. So as you can see, to begin learning HTML, focus on this foundational concept and elements. So we have HTML document structure, doc type, specify HTML5, and then root element, and then head sections, where you can see CSS, GS links, body sections, all the visible content we have here. So this is the setup, the same way that we had there. And the heading, paragraph, links, those are the other elements that you don't have to worry about right now. And then after that, those are the other element that the AI is giving. So yeah, so this is the kind of like main thing that we learned today, just a basic introductory. So we're gonna do the same process. So you have now to have two AI that you can start to work together with, and then the other one also can prove whatever the other one did give, and plus yourself. So here we're gonna use ChatGDP 03 mini I. So let's test with this one as well, and then let's see. So now as you can see, introduction, taught about learning HTML, introduction HTML. So I am to assist beginner in mastering basic HTML concept, including syntax, text structure, semantics, accessibility, and best practice. So you can see syntax, text structure, and then semantics, accessibility, and best practice. So to foster comprehensive of web development, I'm laying out the basics. So I'm covering HTML syntax, document structure, element, common tags, and attributes, details of on heading, paragraph, links, and image forms. So navigating HTML structure, integrating learning resources, presenting HTML essentials, and also laying a solid foundation. So those are the stuff that you can kind of like, so you have to go through it. So this is going to really give you a deep learning mechanism that you can start to use. So here, all the information, so the thinking process finished there. And then after that, here where they give you the example. So you have, when starting out with HTML, is helpful to build a solid foundation by focusing on the scope, concept, and best practice. So understand HTML paper structure, hypertext markup language. So you have all this information here. So this is the stuff that I'm giving to you. Yeah, so you have all the setup. So now, as you can see the difference now here, where you can see ChatGDP, what is doing now. So what is doing that with ChatGDP here? So it doesn't give, it did not, you can see it did not give us an example, this that you can see. So that is the reason why you need to have like two AIs that they are doing the same thing, that you're gonna ask same question, and then you have your documentation that is gonna kind of like help you. So this is the our first yeah, so our HTML introduction. So next video we're gonna talk about HTML editor. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up for more.